Hello friends, welcome to the channel Travel Soul IJB. This is your friend Indrajit Banerjee. I hope all of you are doing great. So today is Saturday and the time right now it's around 6 o'clock in the morning. We would be going for a breakfast ride to Mahabalipuram. It's around 30 kilometers from Chennai. So the plan is we will go to Mahabalipuram. There's an Adyar Anand Bhavan, have some hot idlis, vadas and dosa, South Indian breakfast, and then return to home. So that's the basic plan right now. Let's see if there are any changes in the plan. So stay tuned. Okay, so finally we are starting. It's almost 6:10 in the morning and we are starting for Mahabalipuram. My friends are already waiting in his car. So a couple of more friends were supposed to come, but the bikes are not working or are not in working condition, so they could not join this week. Okay, so here my Goku is standing ready for today's ride. Let me just warm it up. It rained in the morning. The weather is really awesome right now. Very fun. I went to the same place last week also with my other friends so it was basically a Royal Enfield exclusive ride. So 4 of us who have Royal Enfield bikes, we clubbed in and we went. So it was pretty fun last week, but this week none of them are available, so I'm the only person who is going. No matter what happens, you should always be prepared for rides and all. You should always skip any weekend rides. So that's my motto. So even with a full face helmet, when you are riding at 80-90 kilometers per hour, a lot of wind noise coming. So I have to wear the earmuff also for a group of cyclists. So I'm pretty sure they're also traveling to Mahabalipuram. Wet. So yeah, it has rained heavily last night. When I woke up in the morning at around 5 o'clock, it was still raining that time. So I thought maybe I would not be able to come, but yeah, after that the rain stopped, and I hope every Saturday and Sundays the weather remains the same so that we can go on for such drives. The weather is really nice. I mean, it's such an awesome weather. It's 6:30, 6:45 in the morning. There is no sun. There's so much of cold breeze blowing. It's an awesome weather. Oh, the sea is looking awesome. On your left hand, on the left hand side, there is the sea. You can come in the morning, park your vehicle here, go inside. I mean, it's a very scenic place. There are a number of beach resorts that have private beaches where you can come stay for a night, or you can come in the morning, have breakfast, lunch, enjoy your day, and return. So the road is really good till Mahabalipuram, but after Mahabalipuram, the road just. Okay, so we just crossed one of the beach resorts. So yeah, we are about to reach Mahabalipuram. So the road will divide. On the left hand side, we need to go to enter Mahabalipuram, and if you take the right hand side road, it will take you to Pondicherry. Okay friends, so we have come to Adyar Anand Bhavan in Mahabalipuram for breakfast. So we have ordered some idli and vada and a cup of tea. Well, my friends are telling that after having breakfast here, we should go for a breakfast buffet or something like that. So let's see what we plan. So stay tuned and I'll show you. Alright, so finally the breakfast is done and now we are heading back towards Chennai. This 200 kilo bike is a big task. Okay, so let me close my visor. So now that the breakfast is done, we would be heading towards the city. We might stop somewhere if we feel that we want to do some photo session or something. We might stop. So I'll let you know. When you're seeing a bike is coming and then you overtake like this, you really don't understand why. What is the hurry? If you're okay to kill a biker or something. Nice morning. I mean, we had a great breakfast, a great ride. The weather was perfect for today's ride. So in short, it was a very nice morning, I would say. So I would end the video because the battery of my GoPro is about to die. And anyways, we are about to reach the Muthukadu boat house. So we would stop there for some time, click some photos, and then we would head straight towards our home. So yeah, I had thought of stopping somewhere in between some beaches or something, but it seems it's not possible right now because we have babies also. So they're a bit cranky right now. So yeah. I'll see you in the next video, and if you have liked the video, then I would request you to like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Till then, take care. See you. Bye. This is the Muthukadu boat house. We are going to stop and take some pictures and all. Okay.